Hey guys, it's Jim. It's Monday, July 6th. Hope everyone had a good holiday. A little tricky this morning, and I'll show you an example of me jumping ahead of a trade. I do that every once in a while when I've had several good trades in a row, and I think I've got it all figured out, but we get brought back down to earth pretty quickly. Anyway, had this signal here, this PPO signal here, this cross, but the EMA hadn't crossed yet. We still had this down EMA here, but it crossed. So I was watching. I said, "Oh well, hell, it's about to cross." So I took a trade here long and promptly got stopped out. So I did the exact same trade in ZN as well. So I had the 10-year and the 30-year on at the same time right here at this point. So I got stopped out on those guys. But then signal did fire, and I took this trade and got several ticks out of it. Went right up to this uh, first pivot level, first resistance level actually, and then pulled back. Now this was during my trade. This is during where I don't trade. I typically stop about 6:30. So these signals on this choppiness in here, I always stay away from these great big bars and back and forth. But we get through the bond open and a little bit of the cash open. We get another signal, and I take it and run it down. If you notice on this chart, I've got another little level here. It's a Fibonacci level off the daily chart, and I do that sometimes. I hadn't done it in a while, but I need to start back. As you see, there's no pivot area in here, but it came down and chopped around this fib retracement level. But anyway, I got some good ticks out of that and got back on track from this jump in the trade, so to speak, jump in the signal. Anyway, that was it for me Monday. I didn't trade any after this. I typically stop about 10:30 Central. This is all Central time. So my trade times are typically 3-ish, 3:30-ish to 6:30, and then 8:30, 8:45 to about 10:30-ish. That's me, and that's where I'm trying to watch these support resistance levels, a little bit of Fibonacci off the daily, and trying to put trades on with good triggers. And a trigger to me is a PPO and an EMA cross in alignment. Um, like right here, PPO, EMA, trade, PPO, EMA, trade, PPO, EMA, trade. This happened to be out of my trade time. It's a good trade though, if anybody was playing it. My back testing has shown a lot of choppiness after 11, going into lunch, 10:30, 11. So I just stay away from that. There's no reason to try to invent trades, or there's no reason to, why do you want to try to get trades out of this? I mean, if you can do it, that's fantastic. I'm just not good enough to do that. When it gets real choppy, or in the afternoons, it just kind of lays down. Today, it just didn't. I'm sure there was some Greece news, or something about them not going bankrupt or going bankrupt, and then this guy takes off. But it's a good clean signal. Um, I just rather prefer to trade times that I've back tested over several months of back testing and seen these patterns develop, and seen consistent patterns over and over and over. Do they stop out? Yes, they stop out. You're going to have losses, but overall, overwhelmingly you have higher probabilities with these setups. Uh, so my advice is to find you a setup that you like, and then back test it and see what it really does. See what it's done history. Doesn't mean it's going to do it in the future. We all know that. But hell, if it hadn't done it in the past, I don't know how you could come up with a prediction that it'll do it in the future. Anyway, that's what I had for Monday, and we will see what Tuesday brings. I do need to look at the news and just see if there's any news events this week. We'll probably be getting into some bond auctions. We've already had the stupid job numbers, but we'll have some bond auctions coming up. I hadn't even looked, so I will be doing that. And we will probably have maybe some type of Fed thing going on this month. Like I said, we'll kind of scan my news sites and see what we've got. But anyway, that's what I got. Thanks.